Meaning of German measles.
German measles.
German measles.
German measles.
German measles. German measles, also known as rubella, is a viral infection that causes a distinct rash and fever. It's more common in children and teens, but can also affect adults who haven't been vaccinated or previously infected. The virus is spread through droplets from coughing or sneezing, and can be dangerous for pregnant women due to the risk of birth defects. Symptoms typically last for a week and may include headache, sore throat, and swollen lymph nodes. While there is no specific treatment for rubella, vaccination is the best way to prevent its spread.